Do you snore at night, or do you clench your teeth, or do you breathe out your mouth instead of your nose? Well, then you might need to start mouth taping. Yeah, that is a real thing, y'all. I thought people were joking, but it's a real thing. So I've started doing it because I clench my teeth and I snore at night really, really bad. So all you do is put this tape on your mouth, and that's it. It's breathable. It's a fabric material. It has hypoallergenic adhesive on it. You just put it on and go to sleep and take it off the next morning. Right now, the bag of Queen tape is on sale for like $11.58, and you get a 30-day supply. So I'm going to link it below. Go check them out while they're on sale.